In today's video, I'll teach you how to change region on Starlink. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in starlink.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Starlink. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to change the country, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is click on the three lines that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. You can see over here for the country US is selected right now. So what you have to do is click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see all the other available countries over here. Now what you have to do is simply click on the country of your choice. Now once you do that, that particular country and region will be selected. Along with that, that particular language will be selected. So like this, you'll be able to change the region. So that is how you change region on Starlink. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.